Here we have a 2017 Tesla Model S. I thought it would be an interesting vehicle to make a video on to see how much the vehicle ends up going for with a clean title on it. We're going to go through the pictures one by one. As you pretty much can tell, most of all panels are destroyed on this vehicle. Most airbags are deployed, all the back ones. This does have a clean title on it, so that's a good thing. It's reading 5,000 miles but not actual, probably because it's not powering on at all. So that's going to be a problem. All-wheel drive, clean title, located in Detroit. It is wrapped, sink wrapped, so it doesn't get wet from inside. But let's go ahead and see how much it goes for. The vehicle ended up being sold at $29,400.